Hey guys, it's Sebastian and today we are exploring a Maha resort. This is part of the luxury collection and it's pretty awesome. One really cool thing is that there's a lot of animals, gazelles, walking around the property. Big favorite before we do the room tour is to give this a thumbs up, and if you want to book this yourself, we walked through this on our website AskSebby.com. Link will also be down below in the description box. As of 2021, it is going to be all-inclusive for people using points. This means that breakfast, lunch, and dinner are included along with 2 activities a day. You have this kind of foyer area. Over here is some free waters for ice, sushi, and a lot of coffee. I'm actually pretty impressed. So normally places might give you like 4. In here, they're giving you 36, so a lot. Ow. If there's someone who smokes. This is complimentary sherry wine. That is not complimentary though, except for the milk. So over here we have the milk for coffee, and this is fine. Quickly going through this, pricing not in US dollars. This is AED. Foyer area. We're gonna be doing this in about an hour, so that's gonna be pretty fun. One of the big reasons why people come here is to kind of experience this, do a bit different stuff, so we'll do that as well. This is the main room. 2 sofas. Some snacks. I believe they're just welcome snacks, so I'm not sure if they get refreshed.
Probably welcome snacks.
Probably welcome snacks. We'll see on that one. Oh, one other interesting thing too is that instead of having the electric key, they do have more of an old-fashioned key, which is kind of cool to me. Fruits and nuts and some Arabic snacks. Really like this one. This one's okay, and I don't think I've had this one yet. So if you want to do any painting, you can do it here. Bed in the back. Table over here with activities and everything else that you need to know about. If you want to do some, you guys get it. If you want to look at some animals, they do have USB plugs, which I feel like even some other normal hotels don't have. In case you care, sound system, tub with bath salts. If you don't want to take a bath, normal shower. And here are the supplies. And then toilet. This does lead back into the main foyer area. All rooms actually have this because they all have the pool, is that you have a pool. So you can kind of see it out there. There's other area if you want to lay around. And then that is if you want to dine or if you just want to hang out there. And you do see some birds outside chilling by our pool. Totally gonna fly away, watch. Goodbye. So out here is the pool. It is temperature controlled, but you cannot change it. Over here, you have to get maintenance to change it. Yep, feels fine. So view of the room from the pool. I'm a pretty big fan. This property is pretty unique. I've been to a few other desert ones. I've been to Miraval. This is just, it reminds me of something like Bora Bora because of the suite style meets Miraval, meets a ton of animals. Hello.
Hello.
You are limited to activities per night that you're here, so you can kind of plan it out however you want, whether you want to do 2 the day that you land or 1 and 1, or you can figure out the mix. There's a lot of different options you can do. For meals, you get 3 per day, so that is not per night. I guess breakfast ended already, but we could have done lunch and we could have done dinner. I don't think you could have checked in for breakfast because that would have been way too early. And then probably grab some afternoon tea because that's still available from 4 to 6.
No gazelles?
Let's feed you to the gazelles.
Okay. Tuna sandwich, cheese sandwich, chicken in basket. Ooh, I need a quiche. That sounds good. Ooh, this looks good. Oh, there's smoothie. Camel milk. Wait, camels make milk? I don't know what kind of reaction my stomach will have, so I will pass on that one today.
So we're about to ride camels, and I'm gonna drink some camel milk. The starting flavor is the same. It's kind of what you expect. The ending flavor, it's kind of drier. I'm not sure how to explain it, but like, I feel like after I drink it, my tongue feels drier.
Everyone ends up in this thing.
But the camel milk's not sitting well.
Are you gonna have to take a swing up that high? Oh, hi. Join the club. Yeah, right?
They do that on purpose. They see somebody slightly shorter.
Yeah.
And they hunch up onto their knees just to torture you.
How do people ride for days? Bye.
Okay, you wait till you get back on again.
Yeah, right?
Champagne.
Thank you. Dude, this is like your Instagram post right there.
I guess this is what we're doing during the daytime.
Dinner hasn't even started yet. It starts at 7:30.
Oh, it starts at 7:30?
Till 7 p.m.
Oh, I see. So they gave us pool towels, and initially I thought it was like a blanket to take a nap on the couch, which I'm going to do. Oh, I guess most people do an activity and then jump into pool to cool off and then go to dinner. But we had a full day of traveling activities. We've been up since 5 a.m. this morning, basically recording, running around the JW aquarium, trekking out here, and then we did a camel trek, so pretty exhausted. Taking an hour nap before dinner. Good night.
Hey guys, this is the test with the 10 to 18. Bit tired.
Ready for the dinner? Take a smoking or non-smoking table, outside or inside?
Non-smoking
Non-smoking.
inside if possible.
Non-smoking inside.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So you'd like to start with still water or sparkling water?
Still water.
Still water? Yep. May I carry your room number?
14?
40. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. And actually we have made a special room ready for you. If you don't mind, can I take you there?
Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah.
Why not?
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Can I ask them to turn on the light? Is that weird?
Do you know what a candle-lit dinner is, Seb? Yeah, we got the private dining room. A romantic dinner.
Did you specify something in the...
No, I didn't. What if I want poached oysters, foie gras, caviar, porcini, mushroom tartare, and a wagyu beef?
You're like, all of them sound amazing.
Tempura scallop with sashimi grade seafood. They have sashimi salad.
Dude, this place is awesome.
Oh, this is the prawn salad he was talking about. Omani prawn salad.
Yes, and the Omani prawns and the foie gras. And as a main course, I can highly recommend our Argentina beef fillet and the grilled lobster. It's a whole piece of lobster plus the lobster ravioli also on the side.
Oh,
Wow.
As a starter, that I can highly recommend our this foie gras, caviar, and then the messe plate also if you like it. It's like Arabic style, but you can share it. Comes with the Arabic bread.
so they left us a light because we're absurd. To be fair though,
It's really hard to see it without the
even
light.
without the light, it's hard to see it with my eyes. Like, to appreciate the food,
Oh, this is like eating in the dark.
I can't even see it with my eyes because the camera is picking up low light stuff better.
Red wine jelly and ogre mousse on the left.
Alright.
Okay,
I'll
thank
take
you.
it.
Damn, this is crazy.
So this is foie gras caviar. So I believe it's foie gras that's made into a caviar shape. And yes, this is a mother of pearl spoon. Oh no, the fog ball's on the bottom. I'm actually surprised this is for one person. Okay, so we're going to try the spot prawn salad.
I don't think you guys can see how big it is on camera, but it's pretty big.
It's a little overcooked. Flavor's good though. The salads are really refreshing.
So this came after the appetizer. You thought it was a big lobster.
Why do they only limit you to 3 courses? Is your lobster bigger than mine?
No, it's about the
No?
same size.
Yeah, it's about the same size. Oh yeah, it is going through. Okay, awesome, thank you.
That is so cool.
Yeah,
That's really cool.
with cake.